Here, this magnificent temple was created in just a few years, and it's almost inconceivable that it was accomplished so swiftly and so beautifully. Richard Porter, Republican National Committee. And I hope that that's what people see when they come here, is this miracle of human cooperation and determination. It's really remarkable. I think there are a couple of things that really resonated with me. One was the idea that this magnificent temple was created with the hands of the volunteers that came here from all over the country and indeed all over the world in order to create something that really celebrates something that ties us all together, which is love. The magnificence of what human beings can create when they work together, treating each other with love in a spirit of equality. I think the intricate detail is so extraordinary, and it's almost overwhelming, and it's so worthy of taking so much time to really spend looking at each detail on the columns and in the pictures and in all of the displays, in the arches and in the domes. It celebrates this great creativity and drive that I think epitomizes our great country.